Okay, 10 o'clock in the morning. Those vehicles were out yesterday afternoon. They're buried. I'm digging on my way back to the driveway. Still snowing. Probably got almost a foot last night. So I just got to keep digging. I'm going to get the sidewalk cleaned up. Waiting for my cousin to get his farm dug out. So hopefully I can bring his front bucket loader uptown, because my father-in-law as well as myself are out of places to put snow. It's nice having the availability to harass a relative who might have some heavy equipment for us. But okay, here we are, Saturday morning, still snowing, northeast Pennsylvania, in the northwest corner.